Hey guys, in CWQ here, just looking at EMSC. I was watching as this 4.0 earthquake hit in Southern California. It has been downgraded by some agencies to a 3.9 earthquake. So we're going to take a look at the seismic data for this earthquake. We'll see it back here listed under seismic data as high as a 4.3. So let's take a good look at the seismic data. We can see 4.4, 4.2, 4.3, 4.3, 3.8. That's for that one. Then we'll take a look at the one that they went with. We can see 3.9, 4.0, 3.9, 3.3, 3.2, 4.5, 4.2, 3.4, 2.9, 3.3, 3.4, 3.2, 3.9, 4.0, 3.5, 3.3, 3.6, 3.5. So we can see that they have stuck with the middle range here of a 4.0, so they downgraded to 3.9. So you can see there is no agencies here with this 3.9. So of course, let's show you USGS. GS, I believe that's it. I'll find it underneath this here. I go by region here, so let's go by latest earthquakes. So we can see they went with the 3.9 here for this area. Now what I've been watching is over in this area, I'm going to show y'all is the earthquakes for the Gulf of California. Now if you notice, you're not seeing any earthquakes here for the Gulf of California. And EMSC, I'm going to show you earthquakes for the Gulf of California here. So let's go here and then we'll do a search from the 6th to the 15th. We're going to put in Gulf of California. So I'll do Gulf of, let me find it here, Gulf of California. I'll put that in there. Now we'll pull this up. We can see how busy the Gulf of California has actually been. So I'm going to export that to KML, get this into Google Earth here, change this over, make this some flags here so that we can see this better. So we're going to put those, we'll make them green. So we can see this has actually been our activity here of threes. And you can see those have been 4.1s, 3, 2, 3.3, 3.5, 3.5, 3.7, 3.7, 3.7, 3.5. Why is that important to me? These ones here. So the activity as it comes up the faults and hits these areas. And then we also have had earthquakes that have been in here. And how do I know that? Let's take a look at Oregon Live earthquake map. So we'll take a look at the Oregon Live earthquake map here. We can see that there have been earthquakes over in here. So let's take a look here. You can see there's been ones there, but that's not the ones I'm looking at. There's been twos here, 2.7 here, probably downgraded anyway. It's been a 1.4 here, but if you're looking at USGS, you're not seeing any of those earthquakes listed here, are you? No, you're not. So these ones here aren't even showing all the earthquakes going back a few days. So let me see, that one goes back to the 2nd. That one goes back to July. That one goes back to July. So, you know, all these good old earthquakes right here, you're not seeing them. So let's see if we can pull up for Baja, California. Baja. Yep, I didn't do that right. Baja. Let's pull up Baja. Let's do Baja. Off Baja. Baja. Off West Coast Baja. 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 There we go. Let's pull up Baja. All right, that's Baja. We did from the 6th, I believe. Yep, that's all the way from the 6th. Let's export that onto the map as well. Okay, so we've done this. Let's show you all this activity that's not being shown. Okay, let's show you. This is from the 6th all the way through till now, not being shown. That's a lot of activity, isn't it? Okay, so that to me equals activity that's not being shown, that's going to translate to activity for guess where? California. So, yeah, and that activity equals threes. See, this is Baja, California. So these are all threes, twos, threes. Translated activity, California. This is an earthquake storm. So this is activity that is pushing up into California. And California, you should be seeing some activity, but you're not seeing any of this. And I'm going to show you again. Take a good look. This is from 8/6. So that is 8/6, just a few days ago. Baja, California, all the way to the 15th. So that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8 days worth of activity. You are not seeing all this activity on here, are you? Where is it? It's not listed. Hey, USGS, where is it? Why isn't it listed? Hmm, I'm just curious. Why are they hiding all of this activity that is actually going on? If I'm able to find it, just curious, you know? Anyway, let's take a good look at where these earthquakes were. And you can see the next two earthquakes after this one were a 2.0 and a 2.9, I believe. Hang on, let's take a look. So California had a 2.9 and a 2.0 after that. So let's see here. They were all within the same area. So we'll take a look at just the 4.0 earthquake that occurred today. And this earthquake occurred here. So this is Lake Elsinore. And this is the Elsinore fault. This fault has a capability of a 7.7 earthquake. Okay. This one here is the Elsinore Glen Ivy fault. It also has a possibility of a 7.7 earthquake. So this one here is the Temecula fault, and this one here is the Glen Ivy fault. And the earthquake occurred, so people definitely felt this earthquake. So this one occurred over here where these houses are. It looks like a tennis court is here. Anyways, you guys, just wanted to give you a real quick update. I've not been feeling really well, so that's why I have not been live. But this is all of your Baja California earthquakes here and the Gulf of California earthquakes here. And just thought I would show you what I am noticing and what I am not seeing on Oregon Live Earthquake Map and through USGS, but it's not being posted. I mean, it's not on here. All I'm seeing is a few, but not all of them, and not even for the last few days, which is disheartening. And they are occurring and they are ongoing, and this is what pushes up towards this direction. And what y'all are seeing is earthquakes which are occurring because of your fault lines are here and they are being activated. Anyways, just thought I would give y'all a real quick idea of what you're seeing. So when you're looking over here and you are seeing earthquakes happening, you can expect to see more earthquakes occurring over here. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well. I would expect to see more earthquakes occurring, um, definitely because of what we are seeing going on over here in in the Gulf of California and Baja California. They are having threes, so I would expect to see more threes, possible fours. Anyways, you guys, don't be scared. Be prepared. Have a plan. Anyways, you guys, much love. Remember to tell someone that you love them. All right, you guys, much love and God bless.